All right, welcome back, everybody. It's been a long time, I know. Been a long time. I've been busy. This stuff. I had things. Anyway, we're here again. I trust regular viewers of the channel will remember this shocker, eh? This poor shocker that I've already removed the strings and bridge from. Remember this poor shocker? Dun 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 dun. Kids and guitars do not mix. I took the strings off it. I own this. I own this pile of garbage. So the plan is to get all the stuff off of Headstock today and release all the tension on the truss rod, these tuners off, and make some, God, it's in like pretty good shape too. But anyway, yeah, the plan is to get all this stuff off the headstock, release the tension from the truss rod, and make some clamping calls so that I can clamp this thing up with some gluesies. So let's do that. Let's do that, shall we? So welcome back, everybody. I know it's been a long time. I don't really know what to tell you. I have not been enjoying myself making YouTube videos for a little while. I just feel like all the reasons I got into doing this in the first place had kind of gotten lost, and I was missing that. Because let's be real, I'm never going to get famous on YouTube. That was never my intention. The fact that I have anything like 30,000 subscribers is a bit shocking to me to begin with. And I don't know, I feel like every YouTube channel is just a marketing opportunity for, just another marketing opportunity for more junk, video games, and just bullshit. All right, children, we're at the point where I don't care anymore. So I'd like to just give this a little kiss with some 3000 here to get out some of these sandy paper scratches. Then I would like to be done with this and polish it and just call that it. I'm going to try to get this down to a point where I can give it a quick polish. Can't even feel it. I think Maisami, that is ready to give a little polish. So I'll give it a little wipe down. All right, Maisami, let's see what she does. All right, moment of truth. Just pull it down a bit. Moment of truth, kids. Let's tune her up. All right, well, she's up to pitch, and the headstock's still on. Welcome back to the end of this video. It's quite a few days later. I've been playing and enjoying this guitar quite a lot, although I have switched it back to all black. I got rid of all the cream stuff that, actually, to be perfectly honest, I normally would go for, but I don't know why. I was just playing this guitar and I was like, I don't really like the cream on there. So I had enough stuff in my parts drawer to switch it back, except for the poker chip. I thought, I know, I'm sure I have a poker chip somewhere, but I didn't. So here we are. That beaut.